Are we back? I think so. Yeah, I said policy violations, and yeah, something about the audio. Which is weird. First time that's happened. Mm, man, this is freaking crazy. Yeah, could be a short scalp for sure. I'd wait until this 57 to 5060. But if we dip, I think I'm just gonna buy the dip. Like, sounds crazy saying that, but it just keeps working. So yeah, possible scalp to the short size for sure coming up here. But just be careful. I'm not gonna take it. I think I'm just gonna wait for a little pullback, back to this little consolidation, this pivot. And I think I'm gonna take it long. All right, but okay, so now I'm gonna step away for a minute. Now that the stream's back up. So give me about 10, 15 minutes. I'll be back, guys.
level, whatever, 508,250, it's going to sell 3. But now I want to take my profits out in levels. I'm going to change this back to 1, and I'm going to do a limit buy of 1, a limit buy of 1, and a limit buy of 1. So that is a way to do that. I'm gonna take 3 short, take 1 out here, 1 out here, and 1 out here. You can do that. 2 things you have to remember. If you have this set to automatically enter a bracket order, those OCO orders, let the risk this to make that, it's going to do that on this selling of 3 contracts. So you're going to have your brackets. You have to shut off that automatic placement. Make sure you do that. And the second thing is you don't have a stop in this scenario. Okay. Once the market gets in and you sell market, you do that sell stop for 3. You have your 3 individual profit targets. Change that thing over that number of contracts to 3 and put your buy stop above as your stop order. Now they're not brackets, so you will need to manage them. For example, let's say it goes down and hits one of your profit targets, and then comes up and hits your stop. Well, your stop is going to be a set of 3, so you're actually going to enter position the other direction because it's counter. So you need some more trade management to actually manually do that. It's possible, and that's the exact way that you would do it. But this is a managing your trade. If we're traders, this is our craft. We need to do that. We need to learn this if that's something you want to do. It's on us as traders to say, ooh, how can I do this? And it's on us as coaches to help you, and us as Top Step to help you in that quest and try to um, uh, assist you along and give you the coaching, give you support that you need. That's what all this is about. This is all great. The amount of knowledge behind what goes on, not just Top Step TV, but Top Step itself in the coaching and the support team is unparalleled, absolutely unparalleled. Okay, uh, so yeah, we're here for you. That's the way to do it. As a trader, it's your responsibility to manage these trades and take complete responsibility of how the trade goes. And we are here to help in your quest of trading. And what a great session. This is awesome.
Yeah, this was great. Remember, for tomorrow, we're running out of time here, but if you have more questions about Top Step X that we can help you out with, we'll be back again for more group coaching at noon Central Time tomorrow. We'll pin that question form to the chat again tomorrow morning and give it some time to marinate. But yeah, come with your questions about Top Step X or anything trading related in general. We are here to help. Coming up next, we have recapping with Rips. Rips is going to be joined by Hogue and Andre. That's coming up in just a few minutes. Then we are going to close out the day with Power Hour featuring Andre, Dolby, and Rips. It's pulled pork hour. We're going to get some action. Stick around, everybody. We're going to take a short break. Plenty more Tradertainment coming your way. Be right back. Thank you, Robert.
time for recapping with Rips. We've got Rips, we've got Andre. I'm John Hoagland. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the recap. I always love when I get the chance to hang out a little bit with Rips. How are you doing today, Rips?
I'm doing well, John. It's good to see you here, and it sounds like you're doing a little bit better. So I'm happy to see you in good spirits here. Good to see you too, Andre. How you doing, folks?
Oh, amazing. Just like we're saying in the green room, the infinite bid. We got, speaking of infinite bid, 5100s in sight here. S&Ps, 5100s. As we touched them, I guess like we ticked them up. Yeah, just unbelievable. It's been hard to get into. Yeah, I'm kind of speechless at this point. John, what were you saying about the weekly kickoff high and what changed you from getting short into long?
Well, yeah, I mean, I was trying to fight it. I'm trading in a combine account right now, so
Yeah.
below 5090, which is weekly kickoff high in the S&Ps, I was always looking for a pullback from levels close to that. Got chopped up a little bit. As soon as we kind of closed the 30-minute bar above that, I got right-sided, and now I'm making money, just kind of recovering some of the losses from earlier. And speaking of weekly kickoff levels, we've got 18,063, which is the weekly kickoff level high in the Nasdaq. It's a measured move from a longer time frame chart, and if we barrel through that, then we just can continue to move up to 18,100. Here we come.
Yeah, I do
What do you think?
have a level above. You have 63 as your level in the NASDAQ. I have a level of 71 up there, and above 71, we have 97 halves. So I would like to see that happen. And I do have a position on right now. My screen is being shared. I'm just trying to gather into the liquidity below this move if I can get it, because I am pretty confident that we can capture this move here to the top side. It is contingent upon the S&P breaking through 5,100. So if we do see that move through 5,100, we will see this rallying up to the top side. Although I am willing to take some heat on this position, I do think that we have a potential for a slight pullback before a larger pump. We do have room all the way up, all the way down to 41 3/4 in the NASDAQ for a slight pullback. My stop's all the way down at 38 right now. So if we did pull back, I would get fills here on 3 more contracts, bringing me up to 8 contracts, and then trying to rally this all the way up to 71 and beyond. To infinity and beyond, as they say.
To the moon, man. I mean, I am enthusiastic. I am happy to see this rally. Obviously, for the 401ks, everyone's pension funds, so on and so forth. Trading it has not been the easiest, even though it's just like buy it, close your eyes, walk away, come back. And yeah, you should be up money, but it's not that easy, is it, Rips?
It's not, I'll be honest with everybody out there because we're all about transparency. I had a lot of trouble this morning on my own channel trading this. It was very, very tricky. I was getting very, very aggressive and trading some combines there. But even on my live account, I ended up hitting max loss on my live account, unfortunately. Early this morning, I got ticked out near the bottom, almost the DAL, as John calls it, the dead blank low. And I did get stopped out there. And you know what's funny is that I had a really nice position on. It was a really nice position, but unfortunately, the volatility of the market got to me. And even though I had the right idea, but the wrong timing, that's what I'm paying the price for. If I was still in that trade, I would be up almost $19,000 right now. So definitely hurts, but it's not like I haven't been through that before. So unfortunately, in real money accounts, I am down $3,000 today. In combine accounts, I'm down in combines. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 that I hit max profit in, and 150K. So it's 4,500 across 4 accounts, but a lot of red on some other accounts. So this account that I'm trading right now, we have a position on. I'm up about $1,000 on 5 contracts, and I'm looking for this to swipe higher up at 71. So, just trying to make do with what I can, just rolling with the punches. As tough as it is to, have a day where you have the exact right idea of what the market's going to do, it's a lesson for traders out there to definitely, I love being transparent about this stuff. I've been trading for a decade. It's just one of those things where you just have to come to grips with the market, and sometimes your timing can be off. You can have the exact perfect right idea, but if your timing is off and your entry's off, you're going to pay the price, and that's exactly what I'm paying the price for today.
Yeah, it is. So it is. It's a lot to swallow when you're right, and your position is right. You're right-sided, and you end up losing money. And it does happen. I mean, that's just one of the things in trading. If your timing's off, if your trade location isn't quite right, and how do we know when it's right? Well, when it proves to be right. We never know where the best trade locations are going to be, because you don't know how the market is going to respond after that. So It's a bummer that happened. It happens. It's happened to me. A lot of times. A lot of
Yeah.
If
Not
you've
the
had
first
enough
or the last.
exposure in the market, it's one of these things that you just learn to roll with. It's a question I get often, how do you deal with
Yeah.
losses? It's just time and experience in the market. You're going to have losses. It's part of the game. You don't expect that you're going to win every trade, but it definitely hurts a little bit when you have the right idea but the wrong time. And just to give some color, I mean, I was long down there at golly, what was I long
Don't
at?
even look
I
at
think
it,
my
Rips.
average
Don't
was
even look at it.
I think it was my average was like just under 905, and I got stopped out like 878 or something like that. And now we're trading up here at 18,057. So it is what it is, and it's going to happen. But we live to trade another day, and I am actually very grateful that we have the maximum daily loss limit in the account because it limits you from going on tilt. And to be honest with you, the moment that trade got pulled off, I just let it slide, and it is what it is. It's one of those things that you just shake it off after time, and you become a better loser the more that you're trading. You want to try to be the most gracious loser as possible. And I know it sounds counterintuitive, but you're not going to have winning days all the time. And in fact, you can have losing days that come in bunches. I was on a 2-day win streak, which is not much a win streak at all. That would have been day number 3. And unfortunately, didn't get the connection I was looking for.
And if you guys are, what Rips is talking about is being a good loser, and there's a book by Tom Hugard called "Best Loser Wins." I suggest everybody get that and read that book. It is a fantastic book that just discusses exactly what Rips was just talking about, and just wanted to put that out there. Boy, we've got a little bit of resistance up here at that 63 weekly
we
kickoff
do.
high.
All right, I'm back.
Yeah, that level
Back.
you have, John, is
Bam.
brilliant.
You guys, we got a couple people in the chat asking for a Delta.
Did we finally top yet? I doubt it.
John, you first.
Johnny?
6,400 positive in the S&Ps, and in the NASDAQ, 13,000 positive in the NASDAQ. I don't usually see the NASDAQ with a bigger or smaller.
I doubt it.
It's huge in the NASDAQ.
All right.
Yeah, I'm seeing in Nasdaq on my end 12.2K, and in the S&Ps I'm seeing. So we're pretty much about the same.
Yeah, man. I think at this point,
of quite a strong
markets are gonna try to get up here towards the zone.
Squeezing going on this morning. We did see a lot of squeezing in Nvidia, but that has kind of subsided just a touch here. We are seeing now over in Nvidia a pullback towards the EMAs here. We're looking at a touch on the 50 as we're speaking. The VWAP in Nvidia is all the way down at 770, so we could potentially break this 50 EMA.
A little after 2 o'clock here.
But it's not without some persistent resistance. We've had a lot of folks who are looking to cover on the bid.
You know what I was thinking about? I've seen someone posted this on Twitter. I seen it a few days ago. They're saying if the market is choppy in the morning, stick around for lunch because we have a choppy morning. Usually it leads to a nice move throughout lunch. And that could not be any more true today. Chopped all morning and then literally right during lunch hours. So when we started this massive rip higher. So
yeah, that's the one thing that
that's good to know.
Anytime I was looking to take a trade after I got done streaming, I took some trades across 3 other combines here, and I was just looking specifically for whether or not the trade was thin and persistently thin to the top side. And
exactly.
It also makes for a very tricky trade because if you're trying to define an entry in your trade here and you're too quick to add in too much size, it can rip against you very quick because the thin market can go both ways because you have folks that are
yeah, man, I don't know what to do here. We're kind of stuck at the moment.
If they're sitting in market orders, it can flush down very quickly. So we saw a lot of whips and snaps in the price, and anytime that you look at the chart,
I'm not gonna buy here. I think we go higher, but I'm not gonna buy here.
You can see that in the NQ, pretty rapid price movement up and down. A lot of
I would really like to see a pullback,
it's just been a very
but I don't think we're gonna get one. At least not anytime soon.
Because the price is moving to the north side here, it doesn't mean that it's a very easy session to trade. You want to be a little bit more passive, I would say, in your entries, and that's kind of the approach that I have on the current trade that you see on your screen.
And if you've ever been in a position that got ticked out at the bottom or the top, sometimes that lack of liquidity is the cause of that.
Exactly right.
Think we will drop
In a thin market like this, it's one of the warning signs that you really want to
or get a pullback?
We are pushing up here. We are
Too
above
high.
John's level of 63. We are
Yeah.
towards that level of 71 flat. That is my next level that I
Yeah, I'd like for it to happen like soon though.
So I might take off 2
That way we can
as we approach
get
the
long and take it back up towards these highs.
high here. Furthest liquidity to the top side. This is all new highs of day here on the NQ. We are pushing up.
If we just like rip straight in a straight line right up to these highs,
Unbelievable. Look at this.
then
Yeah, we are
They're stacking
tickling into
bids
that
along the
71
way.
here.
I don't know if I'd want to buy a pullback then. That could be the top.
Another almost
we're
400
moving.
sitting at 51. Yeah, they're stacking bids. They're going to push this higher. Maybe it gets filled,
Yep.
but
Let's look at the daily.
Towards
They
my
can't be
71 target here, I'm actually going to
Oh
try
my god.
pull off there at 70 quarters. I'm going to try to take off 2 contracts at 70 quarters there.
Look at this freaking daily candle.
they're 276 sitting at 51.
Got pulled out 2 lots there, getting paid on that. So realizing $816 worth of profit so far and leaving 3 as a runner here. Curious as if anybody else is long here in chat. I see we have over 2,000 people that are watching here.
It's insane.
Is anybody long here in chat? Long and strong? Adam asks in chat here, was that a caressing? It was a soft and gentle caressing of that 71 level. I don't know if you were paying attention to the order flow there, but a nice gentle caressing of that 71 there.
Just a little bumping, little bumping of that level.
Unbelievable.
Hey,
All right, I gotta mute these guys.
this is what we've seen.
Oh, it's unbelievable. It's just amazing. No matter what, just buy. I mean, when you're getting out of this trade, let's take a look at the mags.
Let me mute those fools. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, that's why I don't like I don't watch CNBC either. I don't really like watching. That was Top Step TV, and I don't really like watching them either. Just cause, yeah, they got their little narratives, and I don't know, it throws me off when I hear other people talk about that stuff. Like it distracts me from what I know and my game plan. So. Trying to figure out a good level here. Right. Did we hit this level already? Coming right up to it. It's kind of tough to figure out because there is a 5-minute pressure level here. I'm just a little unsure if it's this first one or if it's going to be the second one. So I just threw this level up in here. This would be like a minor level. Just something to watch out for, kinda. Yeah, for real, man. We're pushing the edge, pushing the limit. Yeah, 105. Yeah, 105 is the next major level. And after that, we just got the highs. We get to 105, I'm full port and shorts. I don't give a damn. I am really upset I'm not in this long. Just never gave me an entry. I mean, I was in it down here, but again, I just was not expecting this crazy move. I guess I should have been. Nine six eight with the A68 100-point move. That's 100. 968. Yeah, it says right here we're up 533 points. 3.505%. This is hands down the biggest intraday move I've ever seen. Yeah, this is how you can kind of tell that it's like a short squeeze, and shorts are just getting squeezed. We always put in these little topping tails, but we just keep pushing. We just keep pushing. All these bears, they see this little candle here, they jump in short, and then we just keep on going up. Mm-hmm. SPY's up another dollar in 30 minutes. I feel like something's about to give. Something's about to happen soon. QQQ, right up here at these all-time highs. Very small bodied candles. Just slowly melting up. There's gotta be a good short here somewhere. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this level. I think we keep going. Alright, coming up to its first level. First little bit of our zone here. Yeah, for real, man. Ever since we got out of that short, little did we know it was the best entry for a long. Yeah, I think the high today is going to be up here. This 105. Gonna buy 875. Says F it. I don't blame you. I would like to see us pull back into like this 80-60, 80-59. No, don't say that, bro. Imagine you just bought right when the market opened last night. You're up almost 400 points. Fucking insane. He had one contract, 400. That'd be 8K. He'd be up. from one contract. For real, man, you could have just took the long and went, played some golf. Freaking do anything. Come back 8K richer. All right, TT. Take it easy, man. Have a good day at work. Good job today, man. Oh, AK picked up Nvidia. When did he sell? Or is he still holding? Damn, what a monster. Holy shit. 665? That's good work right there. That is some good work. Did you get filled on the slow pullback? She's coming back down for you. All right. In it to win it. We did come up to our zone. I'm gonna see if I can catch it down here at 60. Probably won't get down there though. Maybe. Okay. Well. Alright. Oh. I just jumped in there myself. Watch this thing just completely flush on both of us. You already get stopped out. That sucks, man. Yeah, okay. Yeah, come on, man. We did hit a little zone, but we've been hitting these zones all day and just pushing right through them. So, got it 54. Okay, yeah, that's pretty decent. I got a little bit lower entry than you, so I'm gonna give it. I got mine here at this 51. Yeah, honestly, might be worth it just to not have a stop. Yeah, this doesn't seem like a top. I mean, if we do keep pushing though, this hourly candle could get pretty ugly if we keep dropping. But looking at the 30 and the other time frames, doesn't really look like a top. Yeah. I mean, I could see it because, I mean, it did come right up. We had a little 5-minute pressure level, but I will say usually they try to go all the way up to the hourly, like the main one. But let's see. I really want this to hold this 5-minute cloud, which we've been holding it this whole time. It's been respecting it pretty nicely, but we are a little late to the game. Not the best bounce so far. 3-minute looks pretty good. I like that little tail. Come on, baby. We're under the trend line. I mean, I guess probably a couple different trend lines, right? I mean, we also have a trend line here. I don't really use trend lines though. I use these clouds as like a trend line. All right, well, it looks like we bought the literal top. So that's dope. Mm. Come on, man. Don't freaking do this to me. Yeah, we got trapped. We bought the top. Let's go. Might still be on the table. Yeah, it's gonna hit me. I'm really just concerned about this hourly candle. Need to start pushing back up here soon. Literally came $1 short of stopping me out. Come on, baby. He did come down and tap that 10-minute EMA. It's like the first actual pullback we've had all afternoon. So let's get back up there and really squeeze those shorts. I know a lot of people probably shorted her here. Or took profit. Could be profit taking. Come on. Get back over the 73 and I'm chilling. A lot of these names still look pretty strong. Come on, hold that level right there. Come on. Starting to put in a nice little 10-minute. Yeah, it's intense. Yeah, it doesn't look the best at the moment. Come on, baby. Don't tell me I bought the actual top. I like how we're holding this 57. We're struggling though. It's not holding it that well. Yeah, look at this 3 minute. This is looking pretty bearish. Mm. Mm. Not looking good for your boy. Ooh, that hourly candle's looking disgusting. Here we go. Come on. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Needs to just get back above my entry. And I'll feel a little better. I know, dude. I hate when that happens. Come on. The only thing I like about this is this 10-minute chart. We have a little tweezer bottom, but it looks like it wants to go lower. Yeah. Getting real close to 3 o'clock. We need to start pushing soon because this hourly candle is not looking good. This might be GG. Nah, dude, trust me, it wasn't your fault. I'm not that easily influenced. We're kind of on the same page though. Every dip has just been getting bought up, and this thing's just been grinding up. So that was my thought process. Obviously, it's pretty risky, but if you want to get involved, you gotta get involved. What up, Grambo? You come here to watch me take a L real quick? There it goes. Alright, but here's the situation. We're gonna be coming right down to this level, and this is where I initially wanted to get long. I do like this level down here, but we'll have to see what the price action is telling us. Alright. I don't think we're just gonna completely dump. It's a strong tail here on the 10-minute. Alright, Torn Trader. Peace out, man. Enjoy your afternoon. No, I mostly trade NQ, yeah, but I also trade crude sometimes. I took a trade on crude earlier, actually. today. Caught this bottom. I sold it right here though. I didn't catch nearly enough of it, but sometimes gold. Mostly just those three. But mostly NQ. All right, power hour. Got this ugly hourly candle here. Yeah. It's funny, I was just looking at that. That does look pretty ugly. Could definitely be a top. I got this level right here though, 80.26. This previous pivot. Also a little consolidation we had here today. It's like from 80.26 to 80.19. About 3 years. Somewhere right around there. I've only been trading futures for like maybe half a year. Kind of just got into them. Before I was trading mostly options. When I first started, I was with Deck back in the day. It was strictly trading penny stocks and stuff like that. Hmm. All right. Well, we did come down. We really tested that 10-minute EMA cloud, but we put in some nice tails. Coming back up. Hmm. I really think we're gonna get up to this 105 at this point. That's what I was trying. That's what I was playing for back here, but I did get stopped out in this little drop. So this gives me an entry back down here towards this blue line. I might try it again. Yeah, man, it is freaking insane. I was not expecting this huge of a move. I mean, I knew Nvidia's earnings were a big deal, but damn. Freaking wild. Yeah, we're right up there next to all-time highs. ES is already well above them. So yeah, I think NQ catches up here. I would love for this just to give me a little pullback back here. Probably not going to get it at this point. Starting to run out of time here. 306. Yeah, every dip is just getting absolutely bought up. I do want to try to add to my gains today. I was up 2,000 earlier, back down to around 1,400 now. I think we can go higher. Do I sound tired? I don't know. I think that might just be my voice. Got like a real low voice. It's actually funny though. It has been a long day, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm fun to do Top Step. Top Step. Not tab set, Top Step. Yep, that's the one. Mm. Alright, we're trying to pull it back into this level. I'm gonna be watching this 52 level. Trying to get a little bounce here. Didn't quite get down to my level. Yeah, man. I was kind of the same way. Once I learned about funded accounts, definitely changed the game. Yeah. No, I love it, and you can make really good money trading these futures. Like I never would have imagined I'd be making 2,000, 1,500 a day. But it's not that hard trading futures. I only trade one contract at a time. Definitely a game changer. Plus, you can have multiple accounts, trading 3 accounts at the same time. Like, pretty dope. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, if you make $400, what was it, like 450 a day? That's 10K a month. And with Top Step, once you get the funded account, you only keep 50%. So that's why having multiple accounts is pretty clutch. But even if you have one account, you make 450 a day. I mean, you're putting 5K in your pocket a month. You have 2 accounts, you're making 10K a month in your pocket. Yeah. Yeah. Is it different with Apex? Oh, after you make 25K. All right, yeah. Well, Top Step, they have a thing where so you pass the challenge, you're on the combine, but if you're trading well, they move you up to a live account, and then you keep 90%. So it's 50% when you first get your funded account, and then if you're consistent and you trade well, then they move you up to a live account, and that's when you keep 90%. Oh, damn. Yeah, I might have to look into that. Can you use Tradeovate? Like, would I be able to use Tradeovate and trade from TradingView with Apex? It says save now. Okay. Yeah, I might have to look into that. Oh, okay. Cool. Guys, I feel like this is about to pop. I just never got my entry. I know if I buy now, I'd have to give it underneath this blue line. I don't really want to risk that much right now. This is forming a nice little flag here. Got Apple curling back up towards the highs. Like time to trade. Well, it's always best in the mornings. Like, right after, from like 9. I like to trade after market open until like 11. I don't really trade much during afternoon session. And then in the afternoon is pretty good as well. But yeah, that trailing drawdown, I'm not really too familiar with that. They don't have that Top Step. So that like trails up throughout the day. So like as you make money, it kind of follows you up. Top Step, they just have like a daily loss limit. So with the 100K account, which is what I'm on right now, daily loss limit is 2,000, and it's just set there throughout the whole day. Huh. I go live. I start the stream at about 9. Usually jump on the mic around like 9:10, 9:15. Quickly go over what I'm seeing, what the game plan is. It doesn't take too long when you're only trading NQ. Yeah, guys, I have a feeling we're about to pop up, make a new high. Yeah, man, stop on in. We're here every day, baby. Mm-mm-mm. Say your trailing drawdown is 2,500. You make 500, then you lose 500. And your trailing drawdown is 2,000. Oh, okay. Alright, Scrooge. Yeah, study up. It's a good plan. But yeah, come on by tomorrow. I'll be here bright and early. And Nvidia just got a pop. Some pretty big volume. Man, I wish I was in on this long right now. There's just a lot of risk buying it right here. Yeah, I gotta stay disciplined. Even though I do think we go up, it's just too much risk for me if I buy it right here. I would love it down here at this 50, around this 50 level. Nvidia kind of getting this little late day push. New highs on Nvidia. It's still pushing. Yeah, man, it's insanely hard. But this thing just keeps going up. It's definitely tough to wrap your head around. You got 1250. Let's take a look at the chart. Yeah, this thing, it's gonna have a little trouble right here at this 1023. That could be the top for today. But yeah, this thing is doing a great job of coming all the way back up. We could definitely see this continue throughout the next few days. Yeah. Oh yeah. I knew what you meant for sure. Next few days, yeah, we could definitely see it. I mean, we had this huge drop, now we're coming all the way back up. Shorts are about to get squeezed again, it looks like. Yeah, it sucks just watching NQ go up and I'm not in it. Definitely some FOMO today, let me tell you. That makes sense. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with the gamma and how that works, but heard a lot about it. QQQ tested its all-time high. Yeah, I think at this point 105 would be a good target to hit. But we did come up to my zone here. Seen a pretty strong rejection. That could definitely be the top, but we're slowly grinding back up. I don't know once we break back over this high, if we do, I'm definitely gonna squeeze some more shorts. Mm-hmm. What throw some music on? Actually, I was playing music earlier, and they shut my stream down because of the music. Nine three four. Wait, what are you talking about? Way down here? What, by end of day? Bro, that'd be insane. I think new highs. '80 50s. Yeah, see, that's where I wanted to go to get long. Starting to run out of time here a little bit, but you never know. Could see a squeeze into the close. We're coming down to that level now. We come down here and we start putting in a little wick. I might take it. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, 834. Yeah, that sounds a little more realistic. Let's see what we do here. Are we going to hold 200 EMA in the 1 minute, 80.34 to 80.35? Okay. All right, starting to catch a drop. I mean, it makes a lot of sense that we would drop. But a lot of times the market does what doesn't make sense. Yeah, so didn't take the entry there because kind of just flushed. Yeah, right at 330. See what this 5-minute candle does. Next, like actual area support I have is down here. This 826 to like 818. Apple's starting to get a bit of a sell-off. Not really a sell-off, but decent sized red candle there on Apple. Nvidia's still trying to push highs. Just put in a wick. I'm gonna try long. This is risky, but let's see us do something stupid and just rip to new highs. That'd be fun. Yeah, I'll throw a little stop in here. 148. Pretty tight stop. I see this thing just take off now. Oh, Nvidia is ripping. Nvidia's at 785. Oh, kind of pulling back here now. No, I don't see it yet. The imbalance. Not seeing anything yet. Not a lot of volume on this candle so far. This 10 minutes looking good though. Come on, baby. Alright, we're up a little over 10 points. I just want to see this thing squeeze, man. But you don't always get what you want. Alright, things are looking good though. Nvidia, nice push. Apple's kind of trying to bounce. We got Google getting some big buying volume. It's like slowly creeping up. Yeah, I hope they rip it up. I could see them doing it for sure. Little end of day squeeze. If this starts to like peek over this 81 up towards these highs, yeah, I think it'll take off to like 105. All right, we're up 20 points. Brings me up to 1800 on the day. I'm definitely happy with that, but I don't want to sit here and trade my P&L. You just put in a really nice 10-minute candle there, so I'm liking it. Yeah, that is true. I definitely want to give it a chance, though. I want to give it a chance to see if it'll come up and take out these highs. Yeah, I don't like that hourly either, but we're coming right back up to it, so Yeah, I'm gonna keep my finger on the trigger if I'm just gonna look to see if this thing can just take off. If we start, like if this candle turns red or anything, I'll probably just take the profit, call it a day. Well, let's give it a chance. We're trying. Got 19 minutes left. All right, there's that 81. No signs of stopping yet. I'm nervous about this level here, though. This candle wicks down. Could get ugly. It's a 5 minute looking like. Alright, we're holding up pretty well. I don't like that. Finger is on the trigger. Nvidia just got a little pullback. Alright, I'm out. I'm out. I'm taking it. $1,825 on the day. I'm calling it. That's a wrap for me. Woo! Thanks. Thank you. Yeah, nice little scalp to end the day. I'll take that and run. Alright, cool. Let's go. Yay. That was fun. That was a good one. Yeah, Zone's holding us up pretty well. Holding us down, I mean. Yeah, as soon as I seen that 5 minute candle like turn red, I was like, nope. Nvidia getting a pullback, dragging the markets down. I'm gonna go grab some water real quick though. I'll stay here and see how we close, but I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Yo, do you guys have TikTok? You know those that shit, what is it called? Like that oil pulling stuff that they've been pushing like crazy on TikTok. I just ordered some of that. Haven't used it yet, but I'm pretty curious to see. I just got it a couple hours ago. Short looks nice. 297 million buy side. That's not much at all. Short. Honestly, I wouldn't. I don't think I'd risk it. But I mean, I don't really trade the close too often, and I know we can see some crazy moves. Especially after a huge day like this. But we're still up here holding this 10-minute EMA cloud. It's been holding this up really well. Yeah. I mean, it definitely could go down, but it's just right now, like, we're right in the middle of this range. So it could go up, it could go down. It's really a coin flip right here. So personally, I don't think it's worth the risk. Watch it just completely tank after I said that. That'd be so funny. I'd die. No, but I'm actually really excited for tomorrow, man. This is what we've been waiting for. Finally got some crazy momentum. Some solid moves. Right back up towards the highs. Yeah, that's a good little idea. One little micro. Oh, really? Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of like in the camp of like, I don't know. If I'm going to take a trade, like, then I'm like pretty confident in it. So I want to just, take the trade with whatever size I trade, if that makes sense. It's like, what if you take a micro and it ends up being, a great trade, but now you're only in it with one micro? That'd probably drive me crazy. $352. I love how you got all these times just on point. Yeah, 100%. There's always another trade. That's what I tell myself whenever I miss an entry or something. Try not to get too frustrated with it because when one setup goes, it usually leads to a different setup. So just gotta stay patient. That's how you build consistency as well. controlling those emotions, just focusing on the next setup, next trade. All right, 351. Let's see what happens at 352. See if Grambo knows his times. Another tail forming here in the hourly. This level was on point, I must say, even though I didn't take the trade off of it. $4.90. Definitely have some pretty big sell volume in this 5 minute. Here we are putting in a nice little tail off this 52, 53 level. If I had a guess, may come up towards the top of this range, but I don't think we're gonna break out in the last 5 minutes. Kind of like what you said, Grambo, just pin it. Little chop here to end the day. I mean, this is bullish though. Like going into tomorrow, we just had this massive rip higher, and now we're just up here consolidating. That's pretty bullish. If this actually wanted to go down, it would have, but it's holding its head up here pretty well. Ooh, Apple getting a little drop. And Q with a little drop. Yeah, I think so too. I'm gonna be watching this level here, this 80.26 to 80.18. I'm gonna be watching that maybe sometime during the overnight session when we come down here. I think this could be a good opportunity to get long. Yeah, that was a pop. Getting some action. Yeah, nice pop on Apple. Nvidia back up to the highs. Nvidia's gonna close that high today. And there's the drop. You're just keeping it inside this range. Just chopping it up. Okay, a little pullback here to close the day. Yeah, I'm curious to see what happens here through the overnight session. But I'm definitely still bullish, obviously, going tomorrow. I feel like you have to be. But I'm gonna be looking. I might even place an order and try to get filled throughout the night. But I really like this 80-18 level. It's kind of a 1 hour pressure level here. This 1 hour candle that broke us out of this chop from the morning. Seen some nice follow through, so I'm gonna be looking if we can get a pull back into there. It also lines up with this previous pivot. I do think that would be a good entry to take it all the way back up to these highs. So that's what I'm gonna be watching tomorrow. Maybe throw a little line on there. You guys' charts. Just keep an eye on that. I think that could hold us up. $80.25 to 26 is Friday's close. How are you getting that? You saying that's where we're going to close tomorrow? Are you talking about last Friday? No. Yeah, I gotta take a picture of something of that, because if you're right, it's gonna be crazy. Someone take a picture. Oh, last Friday's close. I thought you were trying to predict tomorrow's close. Is my chart different than yours? Wait. This fat red candle is Friday. And it's saying the close is 7:15. Or no, 7:21. Oh, okay, yeah. That makes more sense. Yeah, I like that level. Damn, a little bit of a sell-off there. Wasn't paying attention, but we kind of did get a little breakdown. Finally hit at the close. But all right, guys, that's gonna do it. Man, what a crazy day we had. Absolutely insane. I don't think I've ever seen. We're up 3% at the highs. I don't think I've ever seen us move that high up in a single day. Insane, crazy day. But tomorrow's going to be fun. Tomorrow's going to be another good day. We're finishing up with just over $1,800 in profit. So, very good day today. And, yeah, we're going to be back at it tomorrow morning. Stream will go up around 9. So, if you guys want to stop by, yeah. But I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you guys have a good one. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.